She's at Crystal Beach.
Fun? Look at her tail dragging. The life of a deaf cat.
I know. Place with a $500 vacuum cleaner. That's funny. She's riding for quite a while.
She wants those little brushes.
Yeah, that's what she likes.
You riding it quite a while?
Oh, turn it on. I said, you think she's at Fantasy Island?
It's her wheels.
Does it go down the stairs?
No.
Oh, that's neat.
What, it just keeps running into shit and that's it?
Yeah.
You're a cutie.
Going for a ride.
She fall off?
No, she wants it. She sees the brushes move and she wants them.
Oh, that's too cute. Well, at least you know you should be cleaning when you're gone.
It's a $500 play pot.
Yeah.
Make sure the cleaning gets done.
Well, that's it.
Did you put that